friends, welcome to Kelly Grace TV. Today I am going to share with you how I made my beignet souffle. So how are you guys doing, my people? As for me, I am doing great and I thank God for life. Okay, so without much ado, I will go ahead and share with you my ingredients. Here I have some eggs, sugar, baking powder, salt, my whisk to whisk the mixture. I have nutmeg here on my left side. I have some melted butter. That's my melted butter. And I will bring forth on my flour later. Okay, so as you can see, I added my melted butter to a bowl, and I'll add all the 4 eggs to it. And then the sugar. And I'll make sure I whisk this mixture very well. Mix it very well, guys. Okay, so friend, if you are here and you are not subscribed yet, please make sure before you leave this channel, subscribe. Click on the subscription button, the red button, subscribe, and activate the bell sign beside it so you can get notified every time I upload some new video. Okay, thank you for doing that, and take your time and share with your friends, your loved ones. Share the recipe with them. Okay, I would greatly appreciate that. So I added some milk there. I use some evaporated milk. Okay, now the salt. You can go ahead and use whole milk. Okay, that will be fine also. And now I am adding my flour here. I have 3 cups of flour. I use 3 cups of flour. To the 3 cups of flour, I added 2 teaspoons of baking powder and shredded the nutmeg. You can use the powder one if you have one at home. They are all the same. I feel like the nut one smell much better than the powder one. It's just me, so I like to use the nut. Okay, now it's time to mix everything well. So as you are seeing here, I didn't want to use my hand to mix this dough at all. So I make everything possible in my power to use the whisk to whisk it until I get the right consistency I need for my drop donut. Okay, so now I'm showing you the other way possible to fry this donut, how you can drop it in your oil. You can do this. You can use the other method, squeezing your hand like figures like that, the way we do butucoin or bofo puff puff. This way, all this way, I always struggle to do that unless I'm making butucoin. So I have my way to have that perfect shape, cute shape of my beignet souffle of drop donut is that I use this little measurement spoon, the plastic one. Every time I'm dropping it, I will dip the spoon in the oil so that the dough will not get stick to it. Okay, and each time you drop your donut, you see that when it starts frying, the dough will pop up on the top of your oil, and most of the time they will be flipping on in its own. Okay, you see the end result, those cute little balls. They were so good with some hot cocoa at this season. They are good. Okay, and friends, make sure your heat is on medium low. Okay, medium low, and you will get the perfect donut for you and your loved one. Okay, now they are done, ready. Okay, see how cute they are. That's why I prefer this method, and second, I always struggle with the other method, especially with this beignet souffle dough. I always struggle with that. I prefer the spoon, the uses of the spoon. Okay, second batch, I will let you watch it to the end, and I will catch you up there. Okay, so guys, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.